Hi, my name is Karol Eubanks, and I am your church administrator here at Deck Press. One of my duties is building use and to take care of the groups that come in and to schedule. And one of the things that makes me the most proud to work here is the way that you all have shown stewardship over your building and building use. Most churches, the building is unoccupied for 75% or higher during a week, and that is not true here. You all know that we have a wonderful daycare and GVP who meet here on the school schedule. But you may not know how many groups we host. We host 2 other churches every Sunday. We have all kinds of events here for the community. This Saturday, we just had the GVP walk. We will have the inauguration of CTS's president this next weekend, and the list goes on. And it is mainly used or always used for nonprofit organizations and to build community. This makes me so proud to be your church administrator.